What up guy? In this video I will showing you guy how to fix your OTG keyboard and mouse lagging, when your aim look like that. You want to be look like this. That's right. But how I fix it? Watch this video the end. First thing you have to download Keymapper, link in the description. Open the app and follow my setup. Click the Keymapper and on the Use Keymapper. Basically you have to add all your key using in Mcpe. Like that. You have to add all your key like this. Click the hold down. And save. When you add the shift, don't forget to off this. Now I am done. Click the red key and click the fix, and you are done.